profile with an occupier. This is a repair and maintenance clause, and you can see there's a dense wall of text that will take me time to read and interpret. We've incorporated AI into the platform by adding the ability for you to summarize this clause using AI technology. So with one click, you're going to be able to shorten that text and get to the most important information in this clause so that you can quickly get to your answer. So now that I've summarized this text with AI, I can submit that and you'll have a brief summary of your clause. But here's where it actually gets really more exciting. We've incorporated a new responsibilities tracking module with an occupier that allows you to analyze every clause for landlord and tenant responsibilities. So by clicking the responsibilities AI button, I'm going to be able to generate responsibilities that I can choose to include in my lease and across my portfolio for all of my leases. So you can see here that I've generated 3 tenant responsibilities and 2 landlord responsibilities for this particular location with respect to my repairs and maintenance clause. I can choose to dismiss or accept them. In this case, I'm going to accept all of them, and you can now see that I have an organized list of all of my responsibilities and my landlord's responsibilities for this lease. So within my clause text, I now have an AI-generated summary and AI-generated landlord-tenant responsibilities. If I go back into my lease portfolio, you'll see in my clauses tab, I can also generate summaries for every clause in bulk form. So whether I want to summarize all of the clauses in one lease or just pick the ones that I need summaries for, I have that optionality. And I've also now generated all of my tenant and landlord responsibilities for this particular lease. What gets even more powerful is you might need to see who is responsible for what, and I just want to see my landlord responsibilities. So you can see in this particular instance, my landlord is responsible for repairs and maintenance for my core building systems. So if you're in a situation where the facilities team needs to understand, am I responsible for the fix, or is my landlord, and who's responsible for that expense, I can quickly get to that information. I can also query this on the portfolio level. So you can see that I can see my landlord tenant responsibilities across my entire portfolio. I can theme them, so I can see all of my maintenance and repairs responsibilities across my entire portfolio, which is very helpful when you're looking at budgeting for your portfolio. So these are the first 2 AI features that were released within Occupier, but they're not the last. We're embedding intelligence throughout our entire core platform, from ingesting leases using AI abstraction, which is soon to be released, as well as other features within the system that are going to help you take action using artificial intelligence. Both of these features are live in your account today, so jump in, try them out, and give us some feedback. And if you're not using Occupier today, start with a personalized demo of our AI-powered lease management platform. Thanks.